If your Samsung refrigerator is not defrosting properly, making strange noises, or showing error codes, the main control could be the culprit. I'm William of AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll walk you through how to test and replace it. Don't worry if this is your first time working on an appliance. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter, a phillips screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Be sure to unplug your refrigerator or turn the breaker off before getting started. Now that we have everything ready and the power safely disconnected, let's move on to the first step in troubleshooting your refrigerator. First, we'll start by testing the defrost sensor. Remove the main control access panel from the back of the appliance. Locate the wire connection CN30 and disconnect it from the main control. Also locate connection CN50. Grab your multimeter and set it to ohms, which looks like an upside down horseshoe. One of the best tools that you can have in your toolbox is a multimeter, and we'd love to show you how this device works and how you can benefit from using it. Check out the video in the description. Test from the gray wire at connection CN50 pin 9 to the orange wire at connection CN30 pin 6. You should see a resistance reading greater than 15,000 ohms. If the resistance is less than 15,000 ohms and the evaporator is heavily iced over, the defrost sensor has failed. Since we found that the main control has failed, let's go over how to replace it. Before disconnecting anything, take a picture of the wire connections for reference during installation. Disconnect all wires from the main control. Press in on the top locking tabs of the control housing and rotate the top of the main control outward. Lift the control up and out of the housing. Here's the old main control and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Slide the bottom of the main control in place and rotate the top into the housing and press firmly until the locking tabs engage. Reconnect the wires to the main control and secure the control cover onto the back of the appliance. Plug the power cord back into the outlet. Great job tackling the defrost issue in your Samsung refrigerator's fresh food section. We hope your repair went smoothly and your fridge is back to keeping things cool. We'd love to hear how your repair process went, so feel free to share your experience in the comments. If you'd like a little more diagnostic assistance, be sure to visit our forum page where you can get answers from our technicians. Links in the description. If you're still in need of parts, remember that you can visit AppliancePartsPros.com to find what you need. Just have your model number ready, and most orders arrive within a couple of days. Thanks for letting us help you with your do-it-yourself repair, and see you next time for more handy fixes.